Hello, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to just do a quick video showing you a box of yarn that I got at a garage sale for 20 bucks. So here's a picture of the box. We went around to the whole neighborhood. It was like a neighborhood garage sale, and the very last stop was my neighbor right next door, and she had this box sitting there, and she said, how about 20 bucks? I'm like, yeah, fine. So I don't even know what's in it. I'm going to open it with you guys, but I just wanted to show you a couple things quick that have been selling well for me that are really easy to make and that I have tutorials for. So the first one is wind spinners. These have been doing really good this season, and here's a camel one. Just they work up quickly, about a half hour, and you can just use kind of yarn scraps because it takes like less than 100 yards of yarn. So it's a good stash buster. I've been selling quite a bit. This red, white, and blue one has been selling. I'm in the Chicago area, so a lot of Cubs fans, but also just celebrating America, or people, Bills fans, or people just like the colors. So that one, this multicolor one, people really seem to like this one. I've been selling a bunch of those, and I also have a blue one here, and then a pink one that's been selling quite a bit. I'll put a picture up of that. And another one that I did with cream and like a multicolor. I've sold several of those. So if you want to make this, I do have a video tutorial. It also has the pattern written on the screen for you. So you get both for free on YouTube, and I will put that link in the description box below if you'd like to make that. And then the next thing that's been selling a lot is hacky sacks. It's that season of bringing hacky sacks back. So I have sold over 50 of these already. These work up so quickly. I've got it down to about 20 minutes now. And I do have a video for this too. I've been using cotton yarn, and yeah, they work up really fast. I've sold a bunch on Etsy, and then also through word of mouth with friends, family, and even on Facebook Marketplace. So I will put the link for the description, or the link for the tutorial, in the description box below as well. And this also has the written pattern on the screen. All right, and then the other thing that have been selling quite a bit of is wasp nest decoys, or hornet's nest decoys, and those work up really easily too. I'll put some pictures, and I have a link for that as well. So if you're not familiar, what that does is, if like a wasp or a hornet, if they see another nest nearby, they won't build theirs there. And we've had ours for the last few years, and we have had like no problems with wasps, where the season before that, they were all over the place. So they do work, and I've had a lot of repeat buyers too. So if you want to make any of those things, check the description box after this video. But let me show you what I got from the neighbor for 20 bucks. So some of this, it looks like, has labels on it, and some doesn't. I have this white here. It looks like a size 4, just regular basic acrylic yarn. And we have some red and purple as well. It feels like the same kind, maybe like a red heart. It's not, oh, sorry. It's not like super soft. Like, I love this yarn, but it's not rough either. It just feels like regular acrylic. Looks like there's some hair in here. So we have red and purple. There is like a teal color here. Yeah, I was so glad we saw her because she came out later, and we stopped, and I had never met her before. She's new over here, and she was selling. Oh, this is really soft. This is like a navy. This is actually quite a bit of yarn, but this feels like maybe soft and sleek from Karen. This is really, really nice. And so we went and met her, and then we just happened to look down, and she had a box of yarn. I said, how much for the yarn? She's like, I don't know. I'm not sure. She's like, it's my aunt's that I'm selling. And she was so sweet. And she's like, how about, I don't know, 20 bucks? I'm like, yeah, for sure. I'll take it. So I looked out. Okay, we have this. I'm not sure what, oh, look at this. This is different. That would make something pretty cool. I'm not sure what, but I do like these colors. Kind of feels like a almost Indian type of thing. They always have those gorgeous colors for like holly and stuff. Pretty. And we have some black. This looks like an old thing of yarn here. Gold Bell Wind Tuck acrylic, size 4. Wow. Osco, $1.19. Okay. And this, oh, Vanna's Choice, red. This is 100% acrylic, size 4 yarn. I know of this yarn. I can always use yarn, you know. Alright, here's the Lion brand. This is Wool Ease worsted. So it's size 4. That's a pretty color, like an orangish, burnt orange or like a sienna color. You know what? And then the next day after this garage sale thing around us, this I saw on the Nextdoor app, this woman was having a huge yarn sale, and she said over 500 skeins, you know, biggest yarn sale, best prices, and all this stuff. And so I asked my mom if she wanted to go with me. I said, "Do you want to go check out this yarn?" She's like, "Yeah, we might as well." So we went, and it was like, I don't know. We didn't buy anything, and I was so disappointed because I thought I was going to come home with like, I mean, we brought boxes to bring with us because she said over 500 skeins and she was just trying to get rid of it. But she wanted like $3 per skein, and some of them were like this, you know, like most of them were like this. Most of them didn't have labels on it, and some of it you could tell what yarns it was, and even the ones that had labels, I'm like, you could get that in the store for $3 brand new. And this was really old yarn. It had been her mom's. And that's what she wanted for it. And then I had a purse that I had made. I'll put up a picture of it here that I was wearing, and I had just made it the day before. And she's like, "Oh, did you crochet that?" And I said, "Yeah, I did." And I said, I love this yarn, you know, these kind of yarns. And I said, it's like a whatever it was. And she goes, "Oh yeah, we have a lot like that." She's like, "That's like a sport weight yarn." And I'm like, "Oh, it's a size 6, super bulky." It's like the opposite of sport weight. So she didn't really know what she was talking about, which was fine. But I felt bad because I'm like, I wanted to just buy something just because, and I just couldn't. I'm like, no, I wasn't in good shape or anything, but I'm like, God, she's never going to get rid of this. And then I looked back at her thing, and I saw she had been posting for months trying to get rid of that yarn. But you know what? Last week I looked, and she had it up again, and she said every skein $1. I'm like, well, I guess she learned that nobody was going to buy it. But it wasn't worth going back, so, because she wasn't really that close. Anyway, you live and learn, and I got this for 20 bucks, so I'm happy. So here's a large Red Heart Super Saver, 364 yards, this beautiful blue. And, okay, this is like a cream color. There's a lot in here. This is actually kind of what I use for the wasp nest decoy, so this would be perfect for that. And let's okay, we have another blue here. I'm not sure what this is. It's a little soft. It's pretty. And some navy in a ball here. And a little bit of green. I also make Dammit dolls all the time, and that's a good stash buster. I'll put some pictures of those. And if you want to make one of those, I have a video for that as well. I'll put in the description box. But it's great for pieces like this, you know, because you can just use a little bit until it runs out and then change your color, and that's kind of how they're supposed to be made. Okay, we got some more Vanna's Choice white, wonderful, size 4, 170 yards, and some more blue. There's a good amount of blue in here. It's pretty. That's Chicago Cubs blue. Yeah, this is a lot of yarn for 20 bucks. Okay. There's some more Vanna's Choice, some red, and this orange Red Heart, large flame, it's called, size 4. It's a large roll. And this one, oh, I have 3 of these. This is Mary Maxim. These are big. Let's see, how much is in here. This is a size 4 medium, 450 yards, and I have 3 of them. Oh, and there's a hook in there too. Imagine that. Small hook. Oh God, I won't ever use that. Look at how small that is. Susan Bates. But gosh, yeah, this alone is like worth the price that I paid for all of it. Okay, this one, Columbia Minerva Featherweight Knitting Worsted. This is wool. Gosh, look at this label. That's been around for a while, huh? That's pretty cool. And I have some gray here. This is really soft. This feels like soft and sleek. Alright, we're getting to the end here. Some more navy balls in here. Some green. Some more orange. With Halloween coming up, I'll have plenty of that. Pumpkins. I'm going to be making some videos for car hangers. Like little ghost and pumpkin and maybe some fall things. Oh, also dream catchers have been selling really well. I have 2 sizes of videos right now. I'll put up some pictures. This one is the 6-inch dream catcher, and they're really easy. They work up really fast, and I mean the tassels almost take me more time than the actual dream catcher. And then these are the 3-inch ones that I've been doing, and those work up like super quick too. So if you want to make either of those, I'll also put those in the description box. And I have 12-inch rings. I just have not gotten to it yet, but I'm gonna do those as well, pattern for those. So if you want to stay tuned. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you on my channel. I have a lot of videos up already, so you can take a look at those, but I also have more coming. I do yarn hauls and yarn giveaways from time to time too. I actually am getting close to like 25,000 subscribers, so when I hit that, I'll do a yarn giveaway, and it will be no purchase necessary or anything. I'll just give a big box of yarn away, and I'll ship it at my cost. So if you'd like to subscribe, you could do that. Also, if you want to, if you could actually, I should say, like this video and leave a comment below. It helps so much. Like sometimes if I don't post something for a while, my videos won't get shown to people that have subscribed or anybody on YouTube, but any type of engagement is really helpful. So if you could do that, that would be amazing. I guess they have a new hype thing on there too. You can hype a video, which helps, but if you could even leave a comment, just let me know what yarns you were liking out of this, or if you've made any of my other things before, or some of the things that I was just showing you that are selling well. If you're gonna maybe try any of those, I would love to hear all of that as well. This one is orange. This looks like it has some, I don't know if that's pet hair or what on here, but I'll have to be cautious about that. Oh, there's a hook in here too. Wow. Let's see, this one feels like a good size. Size I. Nice. Okay. Alright, just a couple more here. Well, there's another like orange like that, and a couple more balls of the navy. And then we have a little bit of this, which feels like velvety. It's like a cream color velvet. And then a little bit of this. It's really soft. And then a Caron Simply Soft navy. So I got all that stuff for 20 bucks. That's amazing. I'm so grateful. And she was really thankful to get rid of it. And so, yeah, it worked out. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, please like, comment, subscribe. I would love to hear from you. And I hope I see you in the next one. But also, please take a look at the other ones. So if you'd like to, I have like playlists, you know, for all my stuff. So if you need help finding anything, comment below. I do read all the comments. I respond back to everybody. I'm happy to help if you need help with anything. I'll do my best. But yeah, if you want to make any of those things, just go to the description box below, and I will have all the links labeled for you for those tutorials. So I will see you soon, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for being here. See you soon. Bye.